In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear upper control arm on this Ford Escape. This is going to be located behind the rear wheel towards the top part of the suspension. Let's get into it. Remove the lug nuts, use a 19mm socket. Remove the wheel. Using a 15mm socket, we're going to take this bolt out. Just be careful, this may swing forward a little bit as you get this bolt out. Take that out. Just using a pry bar. Just going to pry this bracket off. Bracket's loose. I'll just get underneath the control arm. Just push it out. Pry that up. Just be careful of the brake hose. You don't want to put too much tension on the brake hose. It's okay. Keep that out of the way. Right there. And back here, there's a bolt right there. We want to take that bolt out. Using a 15mm socket, loosen this bolt up. And once it gets a little looser, you can use a ratchet wrench. This bolt, grab the arm, it slides right out. Take the new one, slide in position. We're going to go in the knuckle side first, get that lined up, get the bolt started, go through the bracket, slide that bolt in, get that started. Okay, that's good. And you want to get the arm in position. You might have to use a hammer. Just tap it down. And push it. And I'm just going to use a pick. Just try to get this to line up. Or you can use a straight blade screwdriver or a Phillips head screwdriver. And just pry it in position. And push. There we go. Get that started. Now we got that bolt in. You may need to use a couple pry bars and twist this and try to push the knuckle back to be able to get that bolt started. Snug this up, not too tight because we have to raise the suspension. All right, that's just barely snug. Now I'm using a pull jack, just raising up the suspension. You want it as close to ride height as possible while still being safe. It would be ideal if you had the wheel on and you could torque the bolts while it's sitting on the ground, but it's not realistic. All right, that's high enough. Tighten this one down. Now we're going to torque these bolts to 80 foot-pounds. The one on the inside, it's not really that easy to get to. Do the best you can. Now I'm going to lower the suspension down. Now install the wheel. Put the lug lug nuts on. Snug those down. Now I'm going to torque the lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Go around again, double check. After finishing this installation, it's important to have an alignment done on your vehicle.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.